Have you ever imagined robots helping elephants or computers saving rainforests? Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? But guess what? Kids, it's real. Around the world, scientists are using artificial intelligence, or AI, to help protect animals and the planet. So, buckle up, explorers! Today, on KIDCO TV, we're diving into the incredible world where technology meets wildlife, the future of conservation, AI and wildlife. Let's find out how machines are becoming heroes for nature. Imagine a big African savanna where herds of elephants roam. Poachers sometimes try to harm them, but now, hidden cameras connected to smart computers can spot danger before it happens. AI can recognize the difference between an elephant and a human with a weapon. It alerts rangers instantly, saving countless lives. Isn't that amazing? Technology protecting gentle giants. Now, let's fly to the dense Amazon rainforest. Here, it's not easy for humans to keep track of everything. It's huge. So scientists use special AI drones that can listen to forest sounds. These clever drones can detect illegal logging or even identify animal calls like jaguars and parrots. Can you imagine a robot listening to jungle music to keep animals safe? That's the power of AI. And wait, there's more. In the oceans, AI-powered underwater robots explore coral reefs. They take thousands of pictures and figure out which corals are healthy and which ones are sick. By studying this data, scientists can plan how to protect our colorful reefs, the underwater cities of fish. So, every time a coral gets saved, thank AI for lending a robotic hand. Have you heard of camera traps? These are cameras hidden in forests to capture animal photos. Before AI, people had to go through thousands of pictures just to find one tiger. Now, AI can sort and identify animals in seconds. It can tell the difference between a tiger, a deer, or even a naughty monkey photobombing the camera. That means scientists can spend more time saving animals and less time staring at screens. Here's a fun fact. AI can even predict the future. Not in a magic way, but by studying weather, migration routes, and food patterns. AI can predict where animals will go next. This helps conservationists create safe zones for animals before they even arrive. Imagine if we could plan a party for penguins before they show up. That is how smart AI can be. But kids, technology isn't the hero alone. People like scientists, park rangers, and you play an important role. AI is a tool, but it needs caring humans to use it wisely. Just like a superhero needs a sidekick, AI needs people who love nature and want to protect it. Let's take a quick quiz. Can you guess which animals AI has helped recently? 1. Snow leopards in the mountains. 2. Sea turtles on the beach. Or 3. All of the above. You got it, all of the above. AI has spotted snow leopards with hidden cameras, protected sea turtles with smart sensors, and even helped track whales by analyzing their signs. Isn't that wild? And speaking of wild, scientists are even teaching AI to recognize animal voices. From bird chirps to whale songs, AI can translate sound patterns to understand if an animal is happy, stressed, or in danger. Maybe one day we'll have a Google Translate for animals. Wouldn't you love to chat with your pet or a dolphin? But there's a big lesson here too. With great technology comes great responsibility. We must use AI to help, not harm. That means keeping ecosystems balanced and respecting animals' natural homes. The future of conservation depends on teamwork. Humans, animals, and AI working hand in paw. So kids, next time you see a computer, robot, or drone, remember, they might be helping protect wildlife somewhere far away. The world of conservation is changing fast, and you are part of that future. Maybe one day, you'll invent an AI that saves endangered animals. Until then, keep asking questions, stay curious, and love our planet. Because the more we learn, the better we protect. Thank you for joining us today on KIDCO TV, where learning is an adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message. AI plus wildlife equals a better tomorrow.